thing, if you really want to stand out as an associate ready for a senior associate, a lot of people are kind of like, I'm going to bust my target. And actually, it's not just about what's on your desk. You want to be seeing the bigger commercial picture. You've got to be looking outside of that little bit of maybe drafting or that you got given, or that little bit of researching that you got given, or writing up that bit of the contract. You've got to look beyond your little bit, understand how it fits in the whole, as a whole part of the picture. Really consider the big picture and what the client is concerned about, what they are worried about. And, you know, as one of the great things you can do as an associate is to go beyond that work. So build the relationships into the client, build the relationships into the introducer. Look for people that are maybe the next level above you to start building that relationship, and do that while you're on doing that work, while you're on that piece of matter. And the more commercial, the more that you can think about actually having time to build your own network, because that's what partners are looking for. They're looking for people that can lead a team. They're looking for people that can lead on a piece of client work. They're also looking for people that are hungry, that are interested in starting to build up their own network, to start to win their own work. And ultimately, if you put your hand up and go, I want to talk to you about progressing my career to senior associate, can we have a chat about where I've got the gaps and what I need to do? That's going to help you massively, because a lot of people are just kind of going, do they want it? You know, and if you just put your head down and do a good job, all you're going to be doing is a good job as an associate, when you really need to be thinking about what it means to be a senior associate.